Hi kids, this is Grandma. Gonna read you some books. This first one's on farm animals. My nose is smooth and you can touch it if you come up close right here, but what I like most of all is a friendly scratch behind the ear. Duckling, I'm a baby duck. You can pet my downy coat. Pretty soon I will grow feathers, which will surely help me float. There's the feathers. Horse, my mane is long and velvety. When I gallop, it flows up and down. You can feel it if you ride me when we trot into town. There's the soft mane. Pig, my hide is tough, my hair is rough, but I am as sweet as can be. Pet me softly and I'll wag my tail and squeal quite happily. There's the ear. Sheep, my soft fluffy fleece poofs out as it grows. Then in the springtime, the farmer cuts it to make clothes. The end.